We've already today, with the summit only half over, have several meetings scheduled for next week. So the follow-up's going to be immediate.
We're able to take valuable next steps with the right decision makers, with the right industry profiles, and set up those meetings right on site.
In a week or 2 weeks, we'll have the follow-up meetings and decide from there what are the plan of action. That will lead us to more meetings and more opportunities and more revenue growth going forward.
You provide us with the information of not only the delegates, but the projects they're going to be working on with their budget. That makes this event much more efficient when we're here.
Being able to prepare for the projects these customers are working on, for these one-to-one meetings, and the amount of follow-up activities that we've already got scheduled before I even leave site. A couple potential customers today that told me they've got budget and they're ready to roll, and they're looking for me to be on site. So the meetings we've already got set up, I think, will accelerate that.
It increases our brand awareness. They see our logos. We're able to meet with them in a casual environment, not just in the formal meetings, but also in the dinners. And so we're able to work on some other potential new partnerships and channel opportunities.
Giving us an opportunity to really tell other organizations our story.
We've already got meetings scheduled, so in the next few weeks with a few of them, it absolutely opened their eyes to what we were able to do and help them with their strategic goals.
We engaged very well, and I think it has definitely helped us achieve those goals, and we look forward to actually converting these leads into future opportunities for us.
Right from the beginning, we're getting a well-rounded head start of the contacts, and it's really shortened that sales cycle, which is most important to us, to see revenue in a short amount of time. It really just puts us leaps and bounds ahead of anyone else that's trying to compete for the same opportunities.